It's very beautiful. The roads are empty, not that much traffic. Because today, Toli Ekadashi, it's a, I don't know, it's a Indian festival or South Indian festival. But yeah, so the less traffic because of that. And today is a weekend too, Saturday. So not that much of traffic. Such a beautiful road. This is called Rajbhavan Road. So Majiguda. I hate this road. I always says in the video, I hate this. I was remembering all some of my past memories from that's why I'm laughing. The roads are so empty because of the lake. They say I think they halted everyone. I think so beautiful. It looks peaceful, calm, and I'm enjoying my ride. I'm so lucky to have a beautiful ride today, and you guys are watching it. Wow, such a beautiful car, right? The design has changed for Innova. Beautiful, son. Schools are there. The Bolton School, huh? I think the kids' inner feeling is that, bro, today guys, we won holiday, but you are given. Like, yeah, kept school for us. Other schools are having holidays, but for us only. Just watching from there. Wow. If India was like this now, everyone loves to drive car or bike anyway. So less traffic, bro. Less traffic, bro. Such a beautiful road. Every time this road used to be very busy and rush. But today, it's very great. Bro, it's going from beside me. Very, very, very beside of me. I don't know why. चलो भाई जाएंगे चलो कौन रहता रे I think the back of it I think no not this I think back of it yeah even they have to go from left na okay that's right